Well, we've got a functions question here, and to give us f of x, which is 1 over x plus 5, and g of x, which is 2x plus 3. State which value of x must be excluded from any domain of f. Now that basically means what can't I put into f? Alright, now the thing is, when you've got a fraction like that, you cannot divide by 0. So any value of x that makes the denominator of that fraction 0 has to be excluded. So therefore the answer for that first bit has got to be minus 5, because minus 5 plus 5 makes 0. 1 divided by 0 can't be done. So find g of 10 next. So g of 10 is literally sticking 10 in for x into here. So that should be 23, nice and easy. Gf of minus 7. Now what that means is that you're putting f of x into g of x. So we've got to put minus 7 into f of x first. So I need to do f of minus 7 first of all, which is going to be 1 over minus 7 plus 5, which is minus a half. And then I'm going to put that, and then I'm going to do g of minus a half. So that's going to be 2 times minus a half plus 3, which is going to give me 2. Alright, so that way, with that one, you do the second letter first. Alright, which I suppose is a slightly counterintuitive, but there you go. Now then, the last one says express the inverse function g to the minus 1 in the form g to the minus 1 of x. Now what that means is we need to rearrange this. So I'm calling it y first of all, and I'm going to do, so what are we, y minus 3 equals 2x, and so therefore x equals y minus 3 over 2, but we want it in terms of x, so therefore where you see y here, right, I'm going to put an x, so you should get x minus 3 over 2. Alright, so there you go, yeah, the g to the minus 1 of x, the inverse as it were, okay, just rearranging the formulae. Otherwise, not too bad as a functions question.